In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Marubozu White Bullish, quick and easy, inside Tradingview. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have this candlestick pattern set up on your chart, ready to help you spot potential bullish moves more clearly. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along in real time. First, make sure you're logged in and have a chart open in Tradingview. Any market or time frame is fine, as long as you can see price candles on your screen. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the screen for the indicators button. It's usually near the toolbar above the chart area. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies window. When the Indicators window pops up, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can quickly find any built-in tools by name. Click into that search bar and type the word white. Typing just this one word is enough to narrow down the list and bring up the specific candlestick pattern we're looking for. After you've typed white, take a moment to look through the results that appear just below. Among the options, you should see one called Marubozu White Bullish. This is the indicator that automatically highlights white Marubozu bullish candles on your chart, so you don't have to scan for them manually. Now, simply click on Marubozu White Bullish in the list. As soon as you click it, Tradingview will add it to your current chart. You should notice some visual markings or highlights on certain candles, depending on how the script is designed. If nothing appears right away, try scrolling back a bit on your price history, or switching time frames to see where the pattern has been detected. At this point, the Marubozu White Bullish indicator is active. If you want to fine-tune how it looks, you can hover over its name in the chart's indicator list and open the settings. From there, you can usually adjust colors, line thickness, or visibility to match the style of your chart, keeping things clean and easy to read. If you'd like to unlock more features in Tradingview, such as additional alerts, more indicators per chart, or multiple layouts, feel free to check out the affiliate link for Tradingview Pro in the video description. Using that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added the Marubozu White Bullish indicator to your Tradingview chart, and you're ready to start using it in your analysis.